Law enforcement officers are using tech to do their jobs more efficiently. Let's look at how drones specifically are helping them with rescue efforts. I'm Emily Casulo, and this is Tech Byte. Drones are now giving law enforcement an extra set of eyes in the sky and on the ground. They definitely came in handy recently, helping the Hiwassee Dam Fire Department in Murphy, North Carolina, find a teen with special needs who was lost in the mountains. He reportedly wandered away from his home into the surrounding woods.
5 years ago, we would have never dreamed this was possible. I knew the technology existed, had never been exposed to it to this extent, but now that I've seen it, highly impressed, and I think everyone on the scene was impressed with it as well.
Fire Chief Chad McNabb says first responders used 3 drones to fly over grid patterns and detect heat signatures to find the teen. Once the drone detected his heat signature, they were able to mark GPS coordinates to go and rescue him.
We would have basically filled the woods full of folks doing grid searches and just hope someone stumbled up on him.
The drone saved them a lot of time and manpower.
Because there was not a true point last seen, so no one knew exactly which direction the juvenile had gone. We were looking at probably 5 square miles of rugged terrain, and to try to coordinate that with a grid search, it would have taken hundreds of people.
Chief McNabb says thanks to the drones, it only took them 2 hours to find the missing teen. I'm Emily Casulo, and that's this week's Tech Byte.